Hello guys, it's your boy Nancy Boy Pazim Facebook Secrets and Confessions. Today I just made this quick video. I just want to say thank you guys because we've reached the 1000 subscriber mark. Saka kana uri kuona video iyi usati wa subscribe ku channel inoi, nobody please just subscribe to our channel. It will help us to grow as a channel. And also later on I'm going to come back with a confession yandakapiwa nezuro. So I could not record that confession because tangati sina magetsi, but now that magetsi adzoka, I'm going to be recording the audio and I'll be making the video. Confession yakamira sekudai anzi mukadzi ari kuti ndakadyisa murume wangu tsvina yembwa uri mupfuwira waakapiwa mupfuwira uyu wanga wakamixwa netsvina yembwa. So that will be the confession that I'll be coming with. And also ndenchizoverenga ma comments aripo pa confession iyoyo because I posted that confession nezuro ku Facebook. Saka if you want to find me on Facebook, it's your boy Neshi Boy pa Deep Secrets and Confessions latest, and I got to post a confession iyoyo. And also, why do I post my secrets, my confessions? Evan, you might be asking yourself. You know, I have this dream. One day, I want to reach a space whereby if someone has any secret yake cannot confession yake, I'll be able to give them a practical solution to their confession or whatever their problem might be. That's why I'm saying, please, can also subscribe to channel yedu. Just subscribe so that I can grow as a person, so that I can reach that place where I'll be able to give people practical solutions. So like I always say, it's your boy and Happy Secrets and Confessions. Until we meet again, signing out.